Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create product labels in Canva. The first thing you want to do once you're signed in to Canva, which you can do for completely free, all you'll need is your email address. I want you to tap on the search bar right here. And from here, you could type in label. So let's do that real quick. The reason why you're doing this is you want to see the different template options. So we'll simply type in labels, then we're going to type in enter. After you have done that, you're going to see numerous templates you can choose from. So it all depends on the product that you would like to add your label to. So for example, we can scroll down and you can see the different product labels right here. So let's say I wanted to use this one. All I would need to do is tap on it. After you have tapped on it, you can scroll down and you can see similar templates that you can also customize and use. So I've changed my mind. I would like to use this one. I'll tap on it. Then I'm going to tap on customize this template. After you have tapped on customize this template, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. On this new dashboard, you'll now be able to make any changes you want. So if you like to change the image, you could tap on the image box. Then you could go over to the left hand menu option and you could tap on uploads, and from there you could add an image. Or if you would like to use one of the copyright free images that Canva provides, all you'll need to do is tap on elements in the top left hand corner. And let's say I would like to add a different looking strawberry. I could type in strawberry right here. After I've typed in strawberry, you can see the different options. So you can choose whether you like to add a photo or a graphic. For this example, I'm going to be adding a photo. So I'm going to tap on see all. And you can see the different strawberry images right here. Let's say, for example, I like to add this image. I can simply drag and place it, as you can see right there. You can also adjust the size a bit, as you can see there. And this is the back of your product label. So from here, you could edit the instructions. So you could tap on the instructions section and you can edit the text if you want. You can also edit the ingredients if you want, and you can edit this section when it was bottled, and you can edit the best before section. After you're finished, you'll tap on share in the top right hand corner, then scroll down, tap on download, and from there you can tap on download to download your product label. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.